wake up every day thinking you still have time. Time to change. Time to focus. Time to become better. But before 2026 ends, that time will disappear. And if nothing changes, neither will you. Look at your life right now. Be honest. Hours lost to your phone. Plans delayed until tomorrow. Comfort chosen over effort. You are busy, but not moving forward. Days pass, weeks pass, and somehow you are still in the same place. You are not lazy. You are distracted, comfortable, and avoiding discomfort. Average does not happen by accident. Average is built slowly, every day, by small habits you ignore. Scrolling instead of thinking, sleeping late instead of preparing, waiting for motivation instead of acting. You tell yourself you will get serious soon, but soon keeps moving. This is the moment where you stop blaming time, luck, or other people. No one is coming to save you. No one is holding you back. The life you want is locked behind habits you refuse to change. Once you accept that, everything shifts. The first habit you must fix is waking up without purpose. If you start your day reacting, your life will always be reactive. Wake up with intention. Decide one hard thing you will do before the world distracts you. The second habit is constant distraction. Your phone is not harmless. It trains your brain to escape effort. Cut the noise. Create blocks of silence where you work, think, and struggle. The third habit is avoiding discomfort. Training only happens where it feels uncomfortable. Training when tired, working when bored, saying no when it is easier to say yes. Comfort is the enemy of progress. The fourth habit is quitting too early. You stop when results are slow. You stop when it gets boring. But boring is where winners are built. Consistency beats intensity every time. The fifth habit is talking more than doing. Plans do not change lives. Action does. Move first. Let results speak. The sixth habit is forgetting who you are becoming. Every small action is a vote for your future identity. Right now, your habits are voting for average. That can change today. Discipline is not about punishment. It is about self-respect. It is choosing the harder path now so your future is easier. You do not need motivation. You need standards. If you fix these habits before 2026 ends, you will not recognize yourself. Your body will change. Your mind will sharpen. Your confidence will rise quietly. People will feel it without you saying a word. But if you ignore this, nothing dramatic will happen. You will just stay the same. Same thoughts, same struggles, same regrets. Decide today, not tomorrow, not next month, today. Stand up, do the hard thing, and start becoming someone average could never be.